All right. Sorry guys, for some reason the stream fell off. For some reason the my internet connection I think everything is okay now. Yeah, sorry for it. I don't know why it happened, but it just did. So yeah, let's be very careful because we might have a setup, okay? So NAS 100, okay, did it break here? No, it didn't. And Euro USD here, nothing. Gold, okay, so on gold, guys, we do have a setup here. Let me color code it with blue. This will be the entry. Stop loss right here. And TP at 1 to 2. Okay, this is the setup on gold, guys. Make sure you apply proper risk, okay? And yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Ooh, we're almost there. And we are there. We are there, guys. 6, 5. Okay, we are in. All right, let's see how this setup will go. So far, not really looking good. Okay, we are in. Okay, let's see. Let's see how this trade will go. And in the meantime, let's check the other pairs. Okay, NASDAQ, did it break this low? Not really. Pretty close, but it didn't. And then we don't have a fair value gap here. And like I said, I'm not entering NAS unless I see something very beautiful, okay? Okay, here we formed another low here. And on US 30, nothing. Okay, so let's just wait on gold now. Almost, yeah. Almost missed the setup. Not really looking good. Gold is not really looking good so far, even though it was a high probability trade. But let's wait and see, okay? Let's wait and see for now. Okay. Come on, gold, reverse. Yeah. Would be good to see it reverse. Okay, come on. All right. Gold is looking a bit better now. Let me share the new stream link on IG story as well. Stream link. We're ending it in 25 minutes. Okay. But before that, let me double check the other pairs, okay? To not miss a setup. So, okay, Nasdaq broke, but no fair value gap. And guys, I'm not looking to get involved in this small. That's not a fair value gap for me. I need it to be visible, right? That right there is a invisible fair value gap. USD is moving lower. I guess maybe if we could get a break here, that would be good. GBP USD might reverse, okay, and give us a shift. And Nasdaq is in between the two levels. Okay, so let's see gold. Gold is moving a bit better now. But yeah, I mean, gold was a value trade. That's all I gotta say. Gold was a value trade. Not the best fair value gap, right? Not the best, but it was visible, I would say. The fair value gap was pretty visible. Come on, man, let's force some trades. Kidding. Yeah, I knew it. I knew that you were kidding. Nah, we ain't forcing any trades. We just take what we see. And I'm glad that you were kidding. And you weren't talking seriously about it. If you guys are wondering what I'm searching, is my iPad charger. I don't know where I placed it. I hate when this happens. Oh, good. I'll find it after the session. Maybe GU will give us a setup as well. Let's see. How was Gladiator 2? Great, brother. I enjoyed it. It was such a cool movie, and I don't see the critics. I don't understand the critics because you told me that there's people that don't like it, and I don't get it, to be honest. I thought it was a great movie. I thought it was a great movie. It was of course I must say that I still liked the first one better, but come on, that's always right with movies. Always the first movie is better. Same as with TV shows where the first seasons are always the best, and then the latest seasons aren't on the same level, right? So um, I don't understand the people that said that the movie wasn't great because it had a good story behind it. It had really good action. I wasn't bored at all. The actors were great as well. So I don't get why some people didn't enjoy it. But yeah, that was my opinion. I really loved it. I think it was a great movie. Right. Glad I'm not the only one. First is always the best, but it was a high bar set, and the second did a good job. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly my opinion as well. Knowing that the first movie was that good, right? And it had such a high standard. Of course, you can expect the second one to not be on the same level, right? But I still think that it delivered. I still think it delivered, and it was a great it was a great movie in my opinion. It was a great movie. Um, I'm done today. Took that sale on gold up up 1,700 in and out done. Nice, nice, brother. I'm really happy to hear that. I'm really happy to hear that. Hi Dan. Hey Alejandro. How's it going, brother? Glad to have you. Bro, why don't you look for candle close for market structure shifts? Well, I do look for candle closure. Where did you saw that I don't look for candle closure? Because here I looked for the candle to close, right, to form a fair value gap, and then I decided to enter the trade. So yeah, let me know. Let me know. Euro USD, nothing. Maybe there's still 20 minutes left. You never know. Nasdaq, bye bye Nasdaq. I'm not looking to enter Nasdaq at all. USD CHF though, maybe if it will give us that shift. And same with GBP USD. Same with GBP USD. It might give us the shift. If it does, straight in. But I'm not sure if we have the time. I'm not sure if we have the time. We're approaching the end of the session. And yeah, I mean, still we have gold. And we'll hope for the best with it. Like I said, was a valid entry. We had a beautiful sweep on the hourly time frame. We swept this level here, okay? And daily bias was also bearish on gold. So yeah, I mean, definitely a valid trade, even if from here it will reverse and it will hit my stop loss. I'm gonna be totally okay with this trade. Okay, that's how I view it. That's how I view it. Oh, for a candle closure, no. I look for if a wick is past the low or the high. I consider that to be a shift. Okay, I consider that to be a market structure shift. I don't necessarily need to wait for a candle closure. Now I understand why. Now I understand your question, because here, right here, there was no candle closure below this low, but I took this wick in consideration. Okay, this for me was a market structure shift, and that's why I took it. Okay, now I totally understand your question, brother. Makes perfect sense. All right, looks like it's approaching TP1. Would be pretty cool if it's going to hit it live. But yeah, let's see. Yes, I'm happy for him as well. In and out with a win. Feel free to share it with me on Telegram, brother. I'll make sure to post it. Ooh, check this out, guys. Hello. So, okay, Euro USD is looking interesting. Nasdaq, we can forget about it. Let's place Nasdaq here next to US 30. Why? Because US 30 is doing nothing, Nasdaq is giving us nothing. GBP USD might give us something, same as USD CHF and Euro USD. And gold smashed TP1. Let's go. Let's go. Gold smashed TP1. Happy to see this, but we need to be focused because we might have another setup. Okay, so USD CHF here, it didn't break it. GBP USD didn't break it. But yeah, let's do a quick video with this gold trade. So gold smashed TP1 right here, beautiful trade off of that 5-minute market structure shift, and of course the 1-hour liquidity sweep. And the live chat is enjoying it as well. Profits made live, which is exactly what we wanted. So yeah, let's see. This trade looks promising, and we also might have another potential setup on these three pairs. Okay, Euro USD, USD CHF, and GBP USD. Perfect. Let me quickly post it. How many pips is the first TP? 649. Let's see. 34. Yeah. And let's focus on these other pairs. Okay, USD CHF. I will check the chat immediately, guys, because I need to be focused here because USHIF might give us a setup just now. Euro USD as well. So yeah, let's be focused. Okay, 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. Let's see. Let's see, guys. We're getting closer to our to the end of our session. Immediately, I will check your messages as well. Oh, yep. Looks like we might have a setup here on USD CHF, guys. Okay, so check this out. We have a market structure shift here, and the fair value gap is in. Okay, fair value gap is in, so we will be we will be able to enter, sorry, the buy limit right here. Okay, TP right here. Okay, perfect. Let me quickly send it in the group as well. Come on, chart load for the people that aren't able to join the live. We don't want them to miss the setup, right? And then, okay, perfect. Okay. Right, USD CHF, where are you? USD CHF, risk 9.5 pips. Okay. Are we in? No, we are not yet in. Okay, we are in. We are in USD CHF as well. Valid trade. Let's see how it will play out. Nice, and we have a beautiful sniper reaction. We have a pretty beautiful sniper reaction. Okay. All right, so we're in this one as well. Let's see, Euro USD. Nope, didn't give us a setup. Nope, on GBP USD either. Okay, let's update that we are in the setup. Okay, so this was a pretty filled with action trading session, I would say. That's the right word for it. Okay, so we're in USHF as well. We're in. Perfect. We're in USHF. Okay, so we are in USHF and gold, okay? Gold ran, okay, so break-even level right there. Break-even level was hit, which is good. I will check your messages in a moment, okay? Close gold. That's up to you, brother. That's up to you. You saw there's people that crypto, for example, he went in and out and closed the profit. There's people that like to go for TP2. So it's totally up to you. If you're okay with the profit, then you can feel free to close it. So let's see the other questions. Firstly, let me mark up the levels here as well on your chef. Right here. And 439 is TP1. Right here. Just understand that the higher the risk to reward, the lower the win rate will be. Okay? Understand that. Thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome, brother. Okay, so let's focus on EURUSD and GBP/USD for now, even though I don't think they'll give any setups until we end the session. Nasdaq didn't offer us a setup, which is perfectly fine. And the US 30 just stayed in between the liquidity levels. Okay, so let's wait for USD and GBP/USD for the last 5 minutes. Okay, so like for a market structure shift, you look for a candle close past the previous low wick? No, I just look for the wick to be lower. If I see a wick lower than the previous lower high, I consider that to be a market structure shift. Bro, can you give me a reason why you took that? You mean gold? Why to gold? Because gold was a clear setup for me. So first of all, daily bias is bearish. Okay, we can see it's rejecting from this daily fair value gap. So that's the first thing, okay? And then on the hourly, we can see that we took out a very important liquidity level here on the hourly time frame. Okay, we wicked it. We took out the liquidity, and then on the 5 minute, we had our setup, okay? We have a market structure shift, a fair value gap, enter right on the fair value gap. So gold was pretty textbook to me. Okay, gold was a pretty textbook setup for me. That's why I took it. I sent it to you. Nice, nice. I will check my Telegram chat after we end the session, and I will make sure to post it. Let's go gold. Aim to fill that fair value gap below. Let's see which fair value gap you were talking about. Oh yeah, this one here. It would be good. Would be really nice if we can fill that one up. Which ICT concept was used as gold entry, please? Did it have something to do with denying the FVG to the left? So I understand. Perfect. My previous answer answered your question as well, which is great. We had 2 questions answered with 1 answer. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Wow, this was a pretty filled with action session, I would say, especially the end. Especially the end. Because till the end was pretty boring, right? We had these potential setups, but none of them was moving, right? That's why we didn't take it. Yeah, nothing here, nothing here. And USD/CHF, to quickly recap it, okay, first and foremost, daily bias is bullish. I think we are targeting this high here soon. Of course, I might be wrong. My daily bias might be wrong, but that's just my view, okay? And then on the 1 hour, I saw a sweep of this level here as well as this one here, okay, which were pretty major levels in my opinion. And then on the 5 minute, I waited for a market structure shift, which I received right here. High, low, shift, fair value gap left behind, and we entered right on the fair value gap. Okay, that's why I took USD/CHF. But like I said, that doesn't mean that it will be a winner. If it's a loss, it's a loss. I'm totally okay with it. That's exactly what I said on gold as well when it was running in drawdown. I said it's a valid trade and I took it because it was valid. But that doesn't mean that it cannot be a loss. If it's a loss, it's a valid loss. I'm totally okay with it. So yeah, I think we'll be able to end the session. Crypto said I use a very tight stop. That was still a 2.67 to 1. But that was with 10 lots. Nice. Just need a clean setup and I'll trade it. If not, I'll wait. That's the mindset. That's the mindset. That's the mindset right there. If we see something clear, we take it. If not, we don't. That's literally trading in a nutshell. That's how it always should be. Okay? So, yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this session. I personally did. It was great to talk about so many different topics, about psychology, about many different topics that we discussed today, about personal life as well, like what we're going to do during the Christmas and whatnot, about movies, about everything. And yeah, I really enjoyed it. And till next week when I will go live again. If you aren't already in my trading group, I would highly recommend you to join us, because like this, you won't miss out on the setups that I will take when I will not go live. Because tomorrow, even though I won't go live, I will still trade and I will still send every single setup that I take in my trading group. Okay? And for the people that want to seek the knowledge in the end of this year in order to start 2025 strong, you can apply for my mentoring program as well if you want. It's the second link down below in the video description. Okay, guys? So, yeah, final outlook. Gold is looking pretty good, I would say. And USD CHF running in small profits. So, yeah, happy with how today went. We took 2 valid setups, both respecting all of our rules. So, yeah, at the end of the day, it was a successful one. Crypto said, was fire once again. Thanks for all you do for us, Dan. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome, and I'm really glad you enjoyed it. Like I said, I enjoyed it as well a lot. And yeah, see you guys on Telegram. See you, man. See you, brother. See you, Marco. I wish you guys a wonderful rest of your day, wonderful rest of your week, and see you on Telegram. Bye bye.